Hey, and welcome back to another DIY tarot reading. So DIY tarot readings are we're gonna do it ourselves or do it yourself. The clue is in the name. Now, what are we doing our reading on? A lot of the times people can't make a decision to save their lives. So we are going to do a reading for ourselves on guidance. Guidance on what, you might say? Well, I suppose that depends. You might have, do I want to buy a new dress? We'll go with that. It's pretty simple and it's pretty straightforward. Obviously, there are life things that you may want to be doing or getting guidance on, but we'll go with something as unobtrusive. Actually, probably not a new dress. Should I buy new shoes? There we go. Should I buy new shoes? So let's have a look at our card. What does this say? Now, this is a mind card. Now, this card here is the broomsticks card. It's a number 10. So number 10 is normally like the final card. It's the top of the pack card. It's sort of like endings. So I'd be looking at that thinking, well, it's a number 10, endings. Do I want to end? How often do I buy shoes? Do I buy shoes quite often? Am I a bit of an Imelda Marcos, you know? If I do, perhaps number 10 saying to me, stop it. Stop it. You've only got 2 feet and 300 pairs of shoes. Stop it. Well, we will see about that. We've also got the buzzard up there flying off with our broomstick. So the buzzard might be, our broomstick might be our money. You know, it might just be that we're, that's flying off and we're spending more money. Might not be. It might be flying off with the thought of, oh, shoes. Oh, more shoes. Oh, I like those shoes. You know, are we being a bit shoe obsessive? So I'd be having a look around that thinking, well, do I personally need more shoes? The answer to that is probably no at this point in time, but let's see what our next card says. If it says yes, I might go out and buy some. Right. Now, again, this is another mind card. So, and it's not saying go out and buy lots of shoes for your friends. This is a mind card, and this is around sort of family, your friends and things like that. And you can see the sun's coming up a bit. They're standing on the top of it could be a cliff or something, and they've got some pumpkins there. So it's just like waiting. So you might be going out. There might be an occasion coming up, and they're just waiting for you. You might have an outfit. You can see they've got different shoes on. They're not actually matching on the outfit, you know. So I don't feel that you need to go out, buy new things for each outfit that you have. I would potentially make do from this card on the mind card here, but let's just go round again and see what this card says. Right, okay, and it's another mind card, and no, I didn't fiddle the cards, but this card here, it's got cross broomstick. So cross, I'd say to me a cross is like stop it. If it was like a cross on a love heart, it'd be a big kiss. But I'd be like, stop it with this one. You can see the witches there. They're pushing on that rock, you know. And it's not going to move. So it might be, are you a little bit obsessive with buying shoes? You've got to ask that question. And don't just go, obsessive. No. When you know full well that you probably have got about 6 cupboards with shoes in, and some of them, they just look pretty, but you won't wear them, and to be honest, you'd probably break your neck if you did wear them. So there's a little bit of reprioritizing going here, or perhaps reprogramming of the brain. So do I need more shoes? Based on the 3 cards that I've seen at the moment, I would say possibly no, but let's see what the final card says for me. Right, okay, so we now got a money card. So I would read this. So what we've got here, we've got the witch. It's a number 3, so it's balance. So it's mind, body, spirit. Get a bit of balance coming in there. Have you got enough shoes? Have your shoes got a hole in? Are your shoes fit for purpose? Yes, no. Have a look at the shoes that are out there. Do you like any of them? But basically, this card here, it's a money card. So have you got enough money for the shoes that you want to buy? Now, shoes come in various price tags as well. And you've got to also look at value for money on some of these bits. So if you're after a pair of £600 shoes and you're never ever going to wear them, but you can't eat for the next month, where is your money best spent? Well, obviously the shoes. No, it's not obviously the shoes. It is your dinner. So answer to my question there would be, look at your money. Do you need new shoes? Reprioritise if you do, but if not, don't buy them. Now, can we apply this guidance to something else so we're not buying? So if I am, say, I need guidance on, is it a good time to get a new job? Let's see how we can read these same cards for, is it a good time to get a new job? This will probably be a good spread for you, but it might just be, no, I'm not interested at the moment. I don't need one. I like where I am. But if things aren't quite going a bit how you would like them, and you're just thinking, is it time? Well, is it time? So we've got the witch down there. It's a number 10 again. So it's like the 10 is coming to the final conclusion and the endings. So it might be that it is the right time. The sun's coming up here. So again, it's like the dawning of something. And we've got the little owl. I'm just pulled to the owl down the bottom. So it's looking at wise choices and play to your skill set, basically. Play to your skill set. We've also got the little buzzard flying off with the broomstick over there. So it might be that there's some spilt milk going on around where you are. You perhaps missed that promotion that you feel you should have had. So this is all leading on to, should I go for a new job? So I think it's probably a good time too, based on this card. And then we're looking at this one here. So bounce ideas past your friends and family. They will always come up with some good pointers. And normally they're a good mirror because you can't always see what's exactly in front of you. Especially if it's about yourself. Family can be, I won't say brutal, but they will sometimes tell you the things that you don't want to hear that your friends won't, which is where they're always a good point of contact. So based on this, I would say at the moment we are in September, the start of September. So this would be October. If we're going by the Halloween and we're going by timings, we should say end of October, something's possibly going to happen that might support the idea of getting another job. Now, again, did you notice how I'm picking out different bits from all of these cards and relating them to the subject that I'm looking at? Now, this one here, again, I would still say this is a reprioritization card, and definitely start looking and playing to your skill set. Depends where you look, but I would definitely be putting the feelers out there, seeing what's about, doing a bit of research and seeing exactly what do you want to do with your life. Very easy to jump into another job that's the same as what you were doing before, but is that the sort of thing you really want? Do you want to work? Do you want to do some work for yourself? Do you want to set up another business? Well, if you want to set up a business, we have Butterfly Tarot for Business, so please check that out. Just thought I'd give that a plug. Definitely look at where you want to go and start planning forwards. And the final card here, it's the money card. So yes, money is important. You don't work for the fun of it. Well, sometimes you do, but it's really nice when you get a paycheck at the end of it so that you can eat, which is always a nice thing. But at the end of the day, we've got number 3, get your balance right. You've got the lady there going, bring it on. You know, she's got this. You've got this. Trust yourself and your abilities, and it will bring that money in. The money's definitely there, but you've just got to go out and get it. Okay, so this is how you do a guidance reading. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you can apply that yourself and have a little practice and see how you're getting on. Now, can you please like and subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, and I'll be doing another DIY Learn Tarot shortly. Bye for now.